Hey YouTube world, Mark here from TST Industries, back in the shop with another video. Today's video we are going to be installing our Womet-Tech front fork sliders on our brand new 2020 Yamaha MT-03 that is right behind me. As you can see here, we have a full range of products. We have some spools and spool sliders, we have some frame sliders, and then we have some bar ends. I just wanted to showcase the full range of products available for crash protection for your bike. These are all made available by Womet-Tech, our partner company based out of Poland. We run them on our race bikes, we run them on our street bikes. We do believe, and we have crash tested these products. These are a 5-piece system. We have 2 Delrin pucks, 2 stainless steel screws, and 1 aluminum axle rod. It's a pretty straightforward installation. There's no color options like some of our other products here, but Womet-Tech does currently include a silver sticker and a red sticker as a little accent piece to be filled in, should you want to just add in a little pop. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the installation. It's going to be pretty straightforward, no special tools are needed, and let's go ahead and just get to it. All right, so here we are. We are going to be performing the installation of our front fork slider kit for the 2020 Yamaha MT-03. This kit is provided once again by Womet-Tech, our partner company based out of Poland. Here we have the kit outlined in front of us. We have the aluminum axle rod that's going to go through the OEM axle from the right side of the bike into the left side. We have 2 Delrin sliders. Both are conical. One has a longer bolt and is deeper, has a deeper cutout. This is to go on the left side of the bike. It is going to go over the OEM axle nut. The one with the shorter bolt and the shorter crevice is going to go on the right side of the bike. So let's go ahead. We're going to jump on over to the right side of the bike. As I mentioned, you do have to install this from the right side of the bike. What I'm actually going to do is just hand tighten the aluminum axle rod onto the bolt and the Delrin slider. We'll hop on over to the right side, insert it into the OEM axle, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down on the left side and get it all buttoned up. So let's go ahead and hop on over. We're going to insert this into the OEM front axle, hop back on over to the left side. While holding this in place, you want to go ahead and insert the bolt and the other Delrin puck. You can use your hands to just hand tighten it down, or if you have a 3mm hex head or Allen key, which is the only tool you need, you can just begin tightening it down. Now Womet-Tech does provide installation instructions. They do instruct to tighten this down to 4 Newton meters. Because these are such small bolts and it's on a Delrin component and it's all aluminum, you want to be very, very careful. What I normally do is I tighten it down on both sides and then just give it a quarter turn on each. That makes sure it's nice and snug. Now that we went ahead and made sure both sides were tightened down, I'm actually going to go ahead and install one of our, or the set of stickers. We're going to use the silver set. And it's pretty straightforward. It's literally just a little accent sticker. And if you're a perfectionist, this might drive you crazy. You want to just lay it down. That's it. Now this installation is officially complete. As always, be sure to check out tstindustries.com. You can find this product and all of the other crash protection products for the 2020 and up MT-03 on our website, along with a dozen other products. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. For now, I'm going to go on a ride. Catch you guys next time.